Tenset has a very unique idea and stands to set a bridge that could supplement the gap noticed between the crypto and stock markets. This is something that hasn't been noticed in a lot of cryptocurrencies in the world, which makes this coin stand out among others. Today, we will be getting deeper into the same and will analyze the progress that it has been making in the past few weeks. Let's get into it. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today, we will be looking at a very unique concept that will help you gain a totally different use case and therefore will be crucial in determining the manner in which you use this cryptocurrency. Before we tell you more about cryptocurrency, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to make the most out of it. We will be posting very frequently, so make sure you stay tuned all the time to not miss any part of cryptocurrencies. Also, keep in mind that we are not financial advisors. Anything being mentioned in this video constitutes a part of an educational or an entertainment video. Therefore, make sure you conduct your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. It is very important for you to make sure that you double-check the numbers when you hit the buy button. The prices vary very frequently, and therefore the actions that are being taken by the investors need to be very spontaneous to make the most out of it. Having said that, let us get into the video. Tenset is in short a very aggressive deflationary token that has a smart staking system. It stands at $1.99 as of August 11, 2021 and is more than 8% in the red in terms of the transaction volume in the past 24 hours. Looking into the charts, there are high chances the sideways movement may continue for a much longer period that may be caused due to the recent market crash. Interestingly, May marked a great leap as the prices touched the $6.1 mark. The prices then started to fall down abruptly and bottom at the $1.02 mark by the last week of June. This drop brought a lot of fear into the market, and the prices started to move horizontally since then. Starting from June 22, which observed the said lowest point, we saw a slight rise to touch the $2.39 mark in the month of August, which was by far the highest point that this coin could reach after the fall from the $6.10 mark. The price pattern indicates that this fall and the horizontal movement in the coin are highly momentous and will not be lasting for a long time. Perhaps we would say that these could be the best times to get into this cryptocurrency in case a person is looking forward to investing in it on a long-term basis. One of the main reasons why the prices aren't increasing just the way you would expect it to increase is due to the fact that this coin has a much smaller community than the others. Not a lot of people are into it as they aren't aware of the existence of such a coin. Therefore, for this coin to increase in size and number, there needs to be a very robust community that will continue pushing the prices to higher marks at all times. Tenset is in fact a new generation TF2 deflationary token, which is integrated with a smart staking system that makes cryptocurrency very robust and agile. It charges approximately 2% as transaction fees for each transfer, out of which half is burnt and the other half gets distributed in the community. Therefore, we do get more rewards as people keep joining the system. This is also one of the main advantages, as this coin allows the users to keep gaining the rewards even if they don't stake their coins. This is something that may not be the case in many other cryptocurrencies. Since it is based on the Ethereum network, it will also be able to work in a very efficient manner without major faults in the ecosystem. Tenset has already burnt more than 7.5 million tokens through transaction fees. They have also been working on some extra layers of protection that could help the investors work in a rather efficient manner. The launchpad that they have ensures that all their launches are highly successful. There are high chances that we might see some tokens being launched through this. The roadmap suggests that they have a lot of plans for the upcoming years with the Tenset. One of the major ones that we think might make a major difference is the integration with Visa. This will help Tenset gain some massive spike in the use cases that it will be exposed to with time. In the third quarter of 2021, they plan on releasing the beta version of the app with the implementation of MetaMask. Their work on task automation will be one of the most noticeable advancements in the technology that is being implemented in the same. This will then be followed by some marketing campaigns to ensure that the coin does not remain submerged as it is at the moment. It will be very important for this cryptocurrency to bring forth a way to get noticed by the public and therefore keep increasing the community in number. It will help in uplifting the coin over to a level that will be much higher than the others. As a matter of fact, they will still be working on the automation services in the fourth quarter and may be of very high use. Their focus at that time will also be shifting towards the institutional investors, who will probably be the ones who could apply the use cases on a daily basis and therefore make full use of the utilities being provided by Tenset. As they look forward to automating the stock market dividends, they will tend to integrate a system that hasn't been existing in the market since inception. This will certainly make Tenset a common platform for stock investors and cryptocurrency investors, and therefore creating a common link for them to work together. We will certainly be getting more details on how this system will be working in the future. One thing that we can say is that it could be really impressive if a time comes when the stocks could also be sold or bought in exchange for cryptocurrencies and not the traditional money system. The system that is being established in this ecosystem is something that could actually gain a lot of community strength and higher prices as time passes. If we get deeper into the prices, we will notice that there hasn't been much price action in recent days. As we mentioned earlier, the prices do tend to be moving horizontally. However, the catch here is the fact that a small gradual incline in the prices has been noticed from the start of August 2021. One thing that may affect this increase is mass adoption. Given that more and more people are learning about this coin, according to us, there may soon see a huge number of people entering into the Tenset, and as a result, this slight inclination of prices could keep increasing over time to reach back at the highs of $6, which was noticed back in May. The month of July has been perfectly flat for Tenset, which could have been the area where we build up the increase in the following month. Looking back into the historical data present in the charts, you will notice that a similar pattern has not occurred ever since the 2nd of April 2021. There also seems to be a good support level forming at the $1.89 mark. This level formed support on multiple occasions in the month of May and then turned into resistance in the month of June. The last test in July at the same level failed, from where we fell further down to remain horizontal for approximately a month continuously at around the $1.40 mark. $1.89 back then stood strong as a strong resistance level, which was finally broken in the month of August 2021. Since the start of August, the $1.80 mark has been a good level of support. Given that the support continues to be held and the prices keep climbing as the community expands, we think that we may very well be able to cross the $2.50 mark in a very short span of time. This could happen in the month of August, followed by the $3.50 mark in the month of September. Having said that, allow us to tell you the prices in case the charts do not hold the $1.80 support levels. In such a case, the best support available that it could claim is the $1.40 mark, as it was constantly being tested throughout July. At the same time, in case the support at this level also turns out to be futile, we may see a drop all the way down to the 20-cent mark. Tenset also claims that their launchpad is very unique in terms of the operation procedure that they follow. The selection of projects in the Tenset is made individually. This allows them to study each and every aspect of the project, review them, and then make a decision. This allows them to take more time to analyze the projects that come up at the launchpad. This means that there is a thorough due diligence process before the same is allowed to be available for the community members to use and invest. This also allows the community to enjoy much higher security. As the due diligence process is much stronger than many other platforms, it may take a lot longer for any project to be listed over here. This means that the users will see only a very few projects coming on this in a year. However, the reason behind this is very crucial and hence makes the system more reliable. We hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to stay with us and update us about all the events that are happening in the crypto world. Until we get back to you, ensure that you never stop learning.